Hi, my name is Natalia and I will show you how to utilize the clinical trials function in CDM Pharma to improve information sharing along the value chain in the pharma industry. Our clinical trial module supports the creation of the link between R&D clinical development and the business, marketing and sales, representing visualization of important external stakeholders and our relationship for the whole business chain. Clinical trials relations are located in the marketing section of the CDM Pharma application. In this demonstration, I will show you how to create a clinical trial, add new stakeholders, and associate their different potential roles. We have added pharma-specific features like expenses tracking, a feature which is becoming more and more important due to governmental requirements related to monitoring and transparency of HPS, healthcare professional spending. We start by creating and naming a new clinical trial. Here we define name, indicate start and end dates of the trial, and assign responsible user. Clinical studies can take place in many locations, including hospitals, universities, doctors' offices, and community clinics. The location depends on who is conducting the study. Now we click New to open a window for creating a clinical center. We must assign it to a clinical trial, choosing them in the Lookup window. It will then be available in the list. We can also create a clinical center in Clinical Centers under Marketing. This is not the case in the current scenario. Now we can start adding participants, investigators or other roles, to our clinical trial. To do this, we go to Contacts, mark those involved in clinical trials, and click Add to Clinical Trial. Here we specify clinical trial, clinical center, and assign a role to participants. Every clinical study is led by a principal investigator, who is often a medical doctor. Clinical studies also have a research team that may include co-principal investigators, nurses, or secretaries. The opened window will show the total added, selected, present, and updated roles. On the contact form, we can see all trials the contact takes part in. It is possible to relate expenses to a clinical trial. The expenses can be registered in the Expenses section of the clinical trial window. Here we enter the required information about the expense. The new expense will then appear when we search for it. Thank you for watching this video. For more info or to book a meeting, please visit www.cdm.dk.